Student, as we know that Indian indigo was of high demand in Europe because it gave a rich blue color to be used for dyeing the clothes. And by the 13th century, Indian indigo was being used in Italy, France and Britain. In Europe, a plant named woad was cultivated which was used for dyeing clothes, but the color that it gave was not so rich, resulting into the high demand of indigo in Europe. One interesting fact about woad and indigo is that the woad cultivators were so worried about the tough competition they were facing because of indigo that they pressurized their respective government to ban the import of indigo. Not only English but the French in Caribbean island, the Portuguese in Brazil, the Spanish in Venezuela also started cultivating indigo plants. While the demand for indigo was increasing, its supply fell to half between 1783 and 1789 due to various reasons. By the end of the 18th century, the demand for Indian indigo grew due to industrialization in Britain. Cotton production expanded dramatically, creating enormous demand for indigo. As there was less supply, the British dyer became keener to procure indigo, and at this point they turned to India to meet their needs. So next topic is Britain turns to India. Here we will understand for which purpose many Britishers came to India. As we know that the demand for indigo was rising day by day in Europe. Therefore, the company decided to expand indigo cultivation in India. In 1788, only about 30% of the indigo imported into Britain was from India. Bengal was the largest exporter of indigo to the Britain. In 1810, about 19% of the indigo imported by Britain was from Bengal. As the indigo trade grew, many of the commercial agents and company officials started investing in the indigo business, as this was profitable business. Many Englishmen settled in India and became indigo planters. Even loans were granted by the company and the banks for indigo cultivation. So now you understood why Britain turns to India. Next, how was indigo cultivated? There were two system of indigo cultivation. First is niche system and second is royalty system. In niche system, the planter produced indigo on the land which was under his control. Either he was the owner or he had rented it for indigo cultivation. But the niche cultivators found it difficult to grow indigo as it required a large fertile area which was not easily available, as the most of the land was densely populated. Even laborers were not available. Sometimes they were busy with the rice cultivation, thus they were not interested in growing indigo anymore. So this was the problem with the niche cultivation. Now we will understand what is royalty system. Under the royalty system, indigo cultivation was done by the ryots. Ryots here refers to the cultivators. The planters made the ryots or cultivators to sign a contract or an agreement. Sometimes they pressurized the village headman to sign the contract on the behalf of the ryots. Now we will understand what were the problem with the royalty system. According to the contract, 25% of land was exclusively kept for the cultivation of indigo and loans were provided for its cultivation. The planter used to provide the seeds and drill to the farmers and he in return had to take care of plants. But soon, when the crops was delivered to the planters after the harvest, a new loan was given to the Royals, and the cycle started all over again. But soon the Royals realized that this system was not an easy one, because they got trapped in the cycle of loan which were unending, and the income they received through the indigo plantation was very less. One more problem with this system of cultivation that indigo moreover had deep roots and it exhausted the soil rapidly. As an indigo harvest, the land could not be sown with rice. It means the land became unfit for the growth of rice after the cultivation of indigo. So the system of indigo plantation was very oppressive. As the result, the peasant became rebellious. So in my next video, I will explain you about the Blue Rebellion and after.